Introduction to exporting Fitbit data.
Want to take a closer look at your health trends? By exporting your Fitbit data, you can analyze your activity, sleep, and other health details over time. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to download your records and understand your progress, helping you make informed decisions about your wellness.
How to export your Fitbit data.
Exporting your Fitbit data is straightforward. Log into your Fitbit account on the web dashboard. Navigate to the Settings menu and select Data Export. Choose the data range and specify whether you want all data or select categories, such as steps, sleep, or heart rate. Click Download to export your file, typically in CSV format for easy analysis.
Understanding your exported data.
Once you download your Fitbit data, open the file using spreadsheet software like Excel or Google Sheets. You'll see columns for activities, sleep stages, heart rate, and more. Take time to familiarize yourself with the headers and layout. Each row usually represents a data point, making it easier to view daily trends and totals.
Analyzing your activity and sleep trends.
With your data in a spreadsheet, you can identify patterns and progress. Calculate your average steps per day, track changes in your sleep duration, or visualize heart rate trends over weeks. Creating simple graphs or pivot tables can reveal insights about your habits, helping you set realistic goals for health improvement.
Tips for using your health data effectively.
Regularly exporting and reviewing your data empowers you to track your wellness journey. Compare your current habits to previous months, look for improvements or setbacks, and share key insights with your healthcare provider if needed. Always keep your exported data secure, as it contains personal health information.